Hey, this is Freya. Welcome, gear enthusiasts, to the Ultimate Car Accessories Haul for 2023. Today, we've curated a collection that combines style, functionality, and innovation to enhance your driving journey. 1. Rove Aroma Car Aroma Therapy Essential Oil Diffuser. Kicking off our list with the Rove Aroma Car Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. Enjoy a stress-free drive with these premium stainless steel diffusers. Simply add your favorite essential oil for a personalized and refreshing atmosphere. 2. DropStop Car Seat Gap. Filler, say goodbye to the black hole between your car seats. The DropStop Car Seat Gap Filler ensures 100% gap coverage, blocking that annoying space where things tend to disappear. As seen on Shark Tank, it's a game changer for your car interior. 3. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your car spotless with the This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, this handheld vacuum is your go-to solution for quick cleanups. The 16-foot cord provides the flexibility to reach every nook and cranny. 4. Phone Holder Car Mount for iPhone. Navigate hands-free with the phone holder car mount. With powerful suction and a versatile design, it's compatible with windshields, dashboards, and air vents. Your phone stays secure even on bumpy roads. 5. Seeg Direct Car Steering Wheel. Cover. Armor up your car interior with the Seeg Direct Car Steering Wheel Cover. Crafted from fine microfiber leather, it not only protects your steering wheel, but adds a touch of luxury. Say goodbye to sticky steering wheels. 6. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Capture every moment on the road with the Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Boasting 4K Ultra HD recording, built-in Wi-Fi, and GPS, this dash cam is your silent witness. Ensure safety and document your journeys in stunning detail. 7. Econor Car Windshield Sun Shade. Shield your ride from the sun's rays with the Econor Car Windshield Sun Shade. This reflective sun blocker not only protects your car interior, but also reduces heat buildup. Experience cool comfort on even the hottest days. And there you have it, the Ultimate Car Accessories Haul for 2023. Elevate your drive with these must-have essentials. Check the links in the description to gear up for an incredible driving experience. Ready to elevate your drive? Click the links in the description to explore. Don't miss out on upgrading your driving journey.